Okay, the balance for this morning. I just infused this crystal with perfect timing. Perfect timing. So I'll just sort of put that on in our energy to get started. And then I just want to shimmy the energy with some sound. So this just helps to shift some of that negative energy that gets stuck in our cells, our organs, our auras, our chakras. So let's just move that energy, and we're aiming for that higher frequency, 999, 999, 999 and beyond. Releasing any and all old tension from this last 12 months. Releasing any and all anger from this past 12 months. Releasing any and all frustrations from this past 12 months. And breathe, just breathe. What a year. What an amazingly powerful time we're living through on the planet. Okay. So where do we need to start? Perfect timing. And it's been a gorgeous full moon this week. Do you ever have any aims for the full moon? To let go of the old, to welcome the new? Allow that perfect timing, 999, 999, 999. Okay. It's some pain punishment energy associated with perfect timing. Okay. Okay, so just sort of thinking over the last couple of years, there's been a few times when I've gone to start things and the powers that be, the matrix, the challenges have sort of put those things into confinement. They've sort of not played out the way that I'd been hoping. Now that I think about it, I might take my guitar with me up the coast. I'll find some time to have a bit of a strum with some of the family. Escape, submission, freeze. So once we've missed out on what we wanted and then we haven't had that perfect time for what we thought we wanted, sometimes that just puts us into an escape mode where we just don't feel comfortable, safe, happy, alive enough, encouraged enough, courageous enough to actually move forward with what it is that we want. So once again, creating our own tribe so that we've got those people there who will support us. Finding your tribe. There are tribes everywhere. Okay. And whatever this karma is that is allowing us to be here on the planet at the moment, let's consider that paid off. I have paid off my karma. I have paid off my past debt. I am allowed to move forward with love and light in my heart. Okay, so some rage, anger, frustration. Interesting. So which layer is that? Conscious, subconscious, unconscious? Is that more ego or soul? Okay. So there's something about my soul that is angry about some of my past debt. Interesting. Okay, so I just want you to feel your soul, that core center of you, and just send your soul some healing light. Send your soul some healing love. Allow your aura to get bigger and brighter and more vibrant and more loving, more carefree. And allow that energy to vibrate all through every cell of your body. My soul is happy, my soul is happy, my soul is happy. My soul is love, my soul is loved, my soul is lovable. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. Okay, back to perfect timing again. This is the perfect time for me to move forward. This is the perfect time for you to move forward. This is the perfect time for us to move forward. This is the perfect time for our collective consciousness to move forward. This is the perfect time for the awakened to move forward. This is the perfect time for massive shifts on the planet. This is the perfect time to move forward into a better world for you and me. This is the perfect time. This is the perfect time. There's a flower essence here. Flannel flower. Flannel flower is for everyone who needs that energetic hug, and who doesn't, given our last couple of years. So this is for our universal collective unconscious. I accept any and all universal hugs right now. I accept any and all universal energy right now. I accept any and all God-like, Buddha-like, Jesus-like, angelic-like energy in the here and now. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Okay, my lovelies. Take care. Love you. Have a great day. Be good. Enjoy your Christmas.